For the repair of the shaft generator PCBs, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the units. For the testing of the static control PCBs, we add a 24-volt DC power supply and an oscillograph, who acts as a generator with an input signal. By adding a sound wave input from the oscillograph, the indicator LED of the PCB lights up. We can also see a 23-volt output on the oscillograph. The same process is repeated for the second static control PCB. For the testing of the frequency monitor PCBs, we also added 24-volt DC power supply and an oscillograph. As we raise the frequency of the input signal from the oscillograph, the PCB's indicator LEDs light up. The same process is repeated for the second frequency monitor PCB. For the power supply PCB, we add a 110-volt DC power supply and two polymeters. The PCB receives the 110-volt DC power supply and emits two 15-voltage outputs. It is now clear that the units are working successfully and are ready to be delivered to the customer.